Former Wales attack coach Stephen Jones is emerging as a leading candidate to succeed Matt Sherratt as Cardiff Rugby head coach. The 47-year-old has spent the past 2 seasons with Moana Pasifika in New Zealand as their Super Rugby competition, marking his first coaching role since leaving Wales' national team following Warren Gatland's return in 2022. Jones's tenure with Moana Pasifika concluded at the end of the 2025 Super Rugby season, and he has since returned to Wales with discussions reportedly underway about his potential appointment at the Arms Park. Sherratt's departure was confirmed on September 22nd as he accepted the role of Wales' senior men's attack coach under Steve Tandy. The news comes just days before Cardiff United's Rugby Championship season opener against the Lions. In the interim, forward coach Cornel Van Zyl, along with Gethin Jenkins, Johnny Goodridge and Scott Andrews, will lead the club with no fixed time frame on when a permanent head coach will be appointed. Jones is no stranger to Welsh rugby, having previously served as Scarlet's attacking coach and then joining the Wales setup from 2019 to 2022. During that time, he had developed a reputation for implementing exciting attacking rugby that relied on local talent, a style that could appeal to Cardiff as they look to build on Sherratt's foundations. His familiarity with the domestic game and experience coaching at international level make him a strong contender, particularly given Cardiff's need for continuity in the attacking department. While the timing of Sherratt's exit is far from ideal, Jones's potential return to Wales presents an opportunity for Cardiff to secure an experienced coach capable of leading the team forward. With the URC season about to begin, the focus will now be on ensuring a smooth transition and maintaining the progress Sherratt achieved, keeping the club competitive and allowing the attacking game to flourish under a capable successor.